Hello guys, and welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'm going to be doing a review of a new platform, Nextera, that gives you a free $20 sign up with profit of 100 up to 150% ROI. So the promo ends on the 25th of this month, that's in 3 days time. So if you are lucky to come across this video, just quickly sign up, watch this video today. Yeah, welcome back guys. Without wasting much time, let me quickly show you guys how you can earn your free $20 package from Nextera. Nextera is a new investment platform that is giving you $20 free promo to test out their sites, and the promo is going to end on June 25th, as you can see. So to create an account on the platform, you have to ensure you use VPN. So we click on menu. Just quickly watch me as I do it, but make sure your VPN is turned on, otherwise you might not be able to create an account. So this is it. Okay, this is my referral ID. Input full name, let's see, password. So once you are done filling, you click on register, and let's wait for the network to load. So this is it. I've signed up my account. So the next thing that I am to do is to claim my investment package. So you scroll down, you can see this is zero. All my balance here is zero. So you come to the investment package. This alpha package, 5% daily. This is where we are getting the bonus. So you click on invest now. So here you input $20. You click on invest. So before you see, this is your investment calculator. You can check it. These are the percentage every 3 hours what you earn for the package. So once you have inputted this $20, you click on invest. So once it shows you this, you see this is my expiring date, 22nd of July. I did it on 22nd June. So a month later, I'm going to be earning continuously for a month, every 3 hours, $0.13 in a day. You know how much you are going to make. That's almost half a dollar every day. So that is that. Now when I go back to my dashboard, let me show you guys that my investment is active and working. When I go back to my dashboard now, you see my investment balance is zero because I haven't earned yet. And when you scroll down, you see total investment amount. So this is it. This is how you may know that your investment is active. And when you want to input your withdrawal address, you go to your profile. Here you can edit your profile. You can input your cryptocurrency addresses here. So once you input them, you save, and that is all. You can change your password here. So the minimum withdrawal for this platform is $10. I know withdrawal is very important because that is the reason why we are trying this out in the first place. So sorry. you want to withdraw, you come here, you click on withdraw funds. So this is it, minimum withdrawal $10. So when you have up to $10, you can issue for a withdrawal, and their commission, they charge a commission of 5% per withdrawal. And if you want to make an extra deposit, you can just deposit via this method. Deposit is 20 USDT. So guys, that will be all. That's that about earning this free $20 investment bonus, and by the end of the month, within 30 days, you must have earned 150% profit, which you can withdraw. So the link to sign up for this website is in the video description below. So just go down, copy the link, and click on, or you can click on it to sign up your own account, claim your easy $20 and a VPN in case you are having issue registering. So thank you for watching. Hope you enjoyed this video, and don't forget to like and share this video with your friends, and also subscribe so that you're going to receive an update when more videos like this are posted on my channel.